Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm part of the team here at Smartsheet. I use Smartsheet every day to manage my marketing projects and programs, and I'm excited to walk you through how to use a project management template. Smartsheet templates are flexible and can be used to manage any type of project, from construction and services to manufacturing and HR. I'm going to modify this one to help manage the marketing activities for an upcoming product launch. I'll start by using the grid to add project information and explain the special column properties as I go along. Then, I'll show you how to work in Gantt view and end by going over how to share your sheet and use a collaboration and automation tools to help manage your project. The key column in any sheet is the primary column. The primary column is where you track unique items like tasks. It's also where I can show the hierarchy or relationship between tasks. I'll modify this template to include all my project tasks. Hierarchy lets me focus on different sections of the project and automatically rolls up information, like start and end dates. Now I need my team to make this launch a success, so I'll assign owners to every task. Because the Assign To column is set up as a contact list, Smartsheet searches my contacts and displays a list of matches to choose from. Now I haven't shared the sheet yet, so the only person who knows I've assigned a task to someone is me. I'll add dates to show how long tasks take. Columns with date properties have a date chooser. I can also use a start date and use the duration column to calculate the end date. Now that I've added project info, I'll work with the sheet as a Gantt chart. I'll zoom in for more detail and change the end date for sales tools to give myself a few more days to work on this. I'll also use drag and drop to make pricing strategy a dependency of business case and change the Gantt settings to show task labels. To make it easier to see which tasks belong to me, I'll use conditional formatting to make my tasks Smartsheet blue. To share my sheet, I'll go to the Sharing tab. I'll add everyone who is involved with or needs to keep tabs on the project, but I'll give them different permissions. I'll make Alex an admin so he can be my backup. He'll have the ability to change anything in my sheet and add other collaborators. The rest of the team will be editors. They can edit and add to the sheet, but not make any big changes. Then there are other stakeholders, like the sales team, who will be viewers so they can track our progress, but not make any changes. Now that I've set up the sheet and shared it, I'll use it to keep track of important links and files, like this financial forecast. I'll also add notes from team meetings to discussions. This keeps everything about the project in one place, but out of my inbox. To stay on top of key dates, I'll create reminders for task owners here on the Alerts tab. And use update requests to get the current information, like percentage complete from each task owner. Everyone shared to the sheet is automatically notified of changes and can see that the launch is on track. And that's how to use our project management template. To learn more, check out our blog, video, or help center.